Welcome to a quick tutorial on how to use ScanSafe. ScanSafe is Handtevy Mobile's barcode verification tool that confirms the right medication and concentration. Let's get started. When you're ready to administer, select the medication. Then tap Verify with ScanSafe and scan the barcode. ScanSafe instantly verifies it against the medication and concentration you selected. A match confirms you have the right medication so you can administer with confidence. If something's off, ScanSafe alerts you, whether it's the wrong medication, the wrong concentration, a needed dilution, or an expired med, giving you a moment to double-check before you administer. Once it's verified, select Given. For any medication set to required, you'll see a ScanSafe icon here. Tap the medication and the camera opens automatically. Anytime scanning isn't possible, you can bypass the scan and still administer the medication. When you are ready to submit your patient record, you'll complete a few required fields. Start by selecting your bypassed scan reason. If your Handtevy administrator has enabled narcotics tracking, you'll also complete the narcotics disposal section. Confirm all the information is correct, then tap Update. Once you've reviewed your patient chart, confirmed it's correct. Then tap Submit. That's it! ScanSafe gives you a fast, reliable way to confirm every medication and stay focused on what matters most, your patient. Thank you for using Handtevy Mobile.